Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are on day 9 of our Declutter Madness Challenge. So the challenge for today is going to be to deep clean and organize our fridge and freezer. So we're going to be taking out everything, checking expiration dates, seeing what's still good, and then putting those items back. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to start by taking everything out of the freezer. We're going to wipe it out and then put back the things we want to keep. Okay, so now we're going to take everything out of the door. So I'm going to start by taking everything out, then we're going to wipe off the walls, the shelves, and the drawers. Here's everything that came out of the fridge. Okay, so now that I've checked the expiration dates and went through everything, we're going to start putting things back. Okay, so let's go ahead and start taking everything out of the door. Okay, so let's go ahead and start putting things back. So one thing we like to do whenever we clean out our fridge and freezer is put fresh boxes of baking soda in there. So what we do is we just take a Sharpie and write the date on the top of the box. That way we know when we put this in the fridge and we know the next time we clean it out how long it's been in there. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. So one thing I like to do whenever I do a deep clean of the fridge and freezer is take everything off the top, off the front, and off the sides, and then wipe it all down. Alright, so there you have it. Day 9 of our challenge is done. It is so nice to have our fridge and freezer totally deep cleaned and organized. If you enjoyed this video and you're still watching, if you could leave me a snowflake emoji in the comments down below. And if you're looking forward to day 10 of our challenge, we're going to be decluttering some of the areas in our kitchen. So you don't want to miss that video when it comes out, so be sure to subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.